Hi everyone, a very wonderful announcement for all of you. Unacademy is celebrating 170 plus Unacademy toppers in the UPSC CSE 2020 examination from 21st to 27th of October. As you all know that Unacademy has launched a list of batches and offers. For example, we have 9 months combo batch wherein we will be delivering 20 plus books to your house if you subscribe to it. And on your batch subscription, you will be getting total 38% discount. 28% discount Unacademy will be providing to you. Okay. And the 10% discount you will get if you use the referral code ARPITA10. Okay, then second is we have got topper batch for 2022 aspirants by Gaurav Budania sir, who is all India rank 13 in the UPSC CSE 2020 examination. Yes, you have heard it right. One more reason to join the 27th batch. Gaurav Budania sir will be launching a bilingual batch starting from 27th October. He will be taking 5 classes on essay, 2 classes on strategy and 3 classes on answer writing. So if you are looking forward for your UPSC CSE preparation, if you are preparing for 2021 or 22 or 23 attempt, if you are thinking about how to strategize your preparation, if you're thinking about how to go about the essay, the answer writing, then don't worry. Gaurav Budania sir, who has cleared with All India rank 13 the UPSC CSE exam, is going to launch a bilingual batch for you on 27th October. This is the schedule of the batch. Now, as UPSC aspirants, you always wonder that how the toppers must have studied, what kind of strategy do they form, and how they practice them, train themselves for answer writing, practice for answer writing. So here all your doubts are going to get solved when Mr. Strategic Gaurav Budania sir will take the lectures for you on Unacademy Plus. We are also providing 25 plus 10% discount on 1 year, 2 year and 3 years Unacademy Plus combo subscription. 25% discount if you're taking combo and 10% discount if you are using code ARPITA10 at such high affordable prices. इतने ज़्यादा हाईली अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस पर आपको बैचेस मिल रहे हैं अंडर 50,000 अंडर 60,000 योर एंटायर यूपीएससी सीएसई प्रिपरेशन विल बी डन ऑन Unacademy Plus. So make sure that you take your subscription today before it is too late to get the correct guidance. The links are given below in the description box. And when you take the 1 year and the 2 year or the 3 year subscription, combo subscription on Unacademy Plus, we'll be providing you ultimate test series combo, that is test series on optional prelims and मेंस ₹45,000 फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. अगर आप 1 साल या उससे ऊपर का कॉम्बो का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो Unacademy Plus पर, कॉम्बो मतलब जीएस प्लस ऑप्शनल का मिक्स सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो, तो आपको यहाँ पर मिलेगा ये 45,000 की जो अल्टीमेट टेस्ट सीरीज कॉम्बो है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एंड दिस ऑफर विल एंड ऑन 27th October बिकॉज 27th October के बाद से नए बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. गौरव बुदानिया सर इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग हिज बैच ऑन 27th October. So make sure that you take your subscription before that. From today we are launching new optionals as well. Geography, PSIR, PubAt, Sociology, Anthropology, Maths, History. तो ये सारे नए ऑप्शनल हम आज से लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. 8 top optionals are going to start from today and new batches are going to start from 27th October. नए batches start हो रहे हैं 27th October से, जिनमें से गौरव बुदानिया सर का भी एक बैच होने वाला है. So make sure that if you are preparing for 2022 or 23 attempt, subscribe to Unacademy Plus before 27th October. And if you are preparing for mains 2021, then we are launching new batches for answer writing training from 25th of October. So get the correct guidance, get the strategic guidance and the correct necessary training to master yourself in the prelims and mains and optional examination of UPSC CSE. On Unacademy Plus, you get the live mentoring platform wherein you get one-on-one personal coaching, one-on-one doubt solving, evaluated test series, daily answer writing sessions and study booster sessions. There will be 20 set of books which will be delivered to your house so that you will not get confused about the resources, from where to study, from where not to study. And if you face any kind of financial hurdle while subscribing to Unacademy Plus, then don't worry. Unacademy is providing loan for UPSC preparation on Unacademy with zero processing fees, 0% interest rate. The approval will be given to you in 2 hours. There are no hidden charges, very minimal paperwork, and flexible tenures to repay the loan back. And you can also get 10% discount if you use code Arpita10. Okay, so make sure that you take your subscription today. All these links are given below in the description box. आज ही सब्सक्राइब करें और अपनी जर्नी को जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना स्ट्रैटेजिक तरीके से स्टार्ट करें.